Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to convert Word to PDF in laptop. Chapter 1. How to convert Word to PDF in laptop from Word. We will start by opening the Word file, then go to the Home menu, click on Export. When you do, click Create PDF. Select where you will save it and the name to use. Click on Publish. Wait for the file to be created. You can check that the Word file is now in PDF format. Chapter 2. How to convert Word to PDF in laptop from Google Docs. To start, we open Google Documents. Here, click on Blank Document. When created, click on File, and here click on Open. You're going to go to the Upload tab. Click Browse and select your Word file. Select Open. When this file is uploaded, you can see that it automatically opens in Google Docs. Now from the File menu, click on Download and select PDF document. You can see how your file is created. From here you can open it in the browser. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to convert Word to PDF in laptop from Libre Office. You will start by opening Writer. There in the File menu, click Open, choose your Word file, click Open to load it. After that, you're going to go to the File menu, and from there we click on Export as to, and then select Export as PDF. You will be able to configure some parameters of the PDF and then click on Export. Defines where it will be saved and the name. Click on Save. Check that your Word file has been saved in this PDF format. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.